Today I will share a unique recipe of pumpkin pickle you never tried. Keep watching my recipe till the end. Cut and slice the pumpkin, keep the skin if desired. Take out seeds and dry them. Roast them and use as snack or add them in salads, oatmeal or tea yogurt. Seeds are helpful for digestion, blood sugar regulation, boost immunity and improve your sleep. Boil the slices for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not overcook them. Dry them fully. Mix all the ingredients mentioned in the description box in the mustard oil and vinegar. Add the dried slices of pumpkin and mix all well with your hands. Store in a clean jar, keep it in a warm place for 4 to 5 days. The pickle will be ready to enjoy after few days. Thank you for watching my recipe. Hope you enjoy.